Hello everyone, my name is Pranali. I am from Yavatmal, Maharashtra. I have completed my BE in 2019. After that, I wanted to join my career in IT domain, but at that time there was no proper support and guidance and right opportunity for me. So one day I got to know about Evision on Naukri portal. So there was a Evision 45 days job internship program. So I contacted the concerned person and enrolled the 45 days job internship program, and I successfully completed it. Then during my internship I learned lot of things like uh, virtualization, Windows administration, CCNA, basic networking, and many more things. And also, I have hands-on troubleshooting and troubleshooting commands. Their guidance and support really helped me to crack my interview. So I'm really happy to share that I got selected in Eagles information system with 2.9 CTC. Uh, their HR and mentors are really supportive, so I'm really happy that I enrolled in Evision. So if you are looking for a job in IT or wanted to switch the domain in IT, then it is the best platform. So go and enroll there, as their guidance and support really helps to crack the interview and have a job in IT. So I'm really thankful for that to them, that I really got a good opportunity in IT. So thank you everyone.